So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to use pop out effects on CapCut. You can use the pop out effects on a picture or video or text. So for this video, I'll show you two methods on how to use them. So the first one, you can use them on your picture or the video itself. Just select the picture and then go to this animation. So in the animation, scroll to down and choose this slide off. After you choose the slide up, so here you can just reduce the duration like this. So if you play the video as you can see like this, it will come out pop like this. So the second one, to use them, you can just go ahead and use them on a text. So I'll select all the text. After you select all the text, go to this animation and then go to caption. So if you want to use them on a caption text, or if you want to use them on just a simple text, just select all the text and scroll to down, go to the in. Under the animation, go to in, scroll to down. So here is it now, pop up. So select it like this. So now if you play your text, it will just come out pop up. So that's it, guys. But if you want to use them on the entirely caption, just select all the caption like this. If you select all the caption, if you want to use them on caption, and go to this text animation and then go to caption. So from this option, you'll be able to see different captions pop out. So scroll to down. The first one, you can use this bounce out, and the second one, so the second one, you can use this one. As you can see, here is it now, word by word like this. So if you play it, like, let's see. So word by word, that one you can use this one, pets. So and that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe.